Hey everyone, it's Erimin here, and today we're going to the Naked Man Festival. Let's go! Imagine stepping into a sea of people on a freezing day, and the energy is so intense it feels like the ground is vibrating. This is Inazawa's Konomiya Hadaka Matsuri, one of Japan's most famous naked festivals. And it's not just a wild spectacle, it's a powerful ritual for purification and pushing away misfortune. Today I'll explain what this festival actually means, the history behind it, and the most important moments to watch for. The official name of the festival is Naoi Shinji, a ritual traditionally connected to driving away bad luck and misfortune. Local sources trace its origin back to the Nara period, when prayers were offered to ward off epidemics. Over time, the ritual has evolved. By the late Edo period, it became closely tied to the dramatic Hadaka Matsuri style we see today, where groups of participants surge forward in the cold, shouting, moving as one, and building towards the arrival of the festival's central figure. The person everyone is making their way towards is called the Shin Otoko, or Kami Otoko, sometimes called the Lucky Man or the God Man. The belief is simple but powerful. Touching the Shin Otoko is said to transfer away misfortune, like you're handing off your bad luck so you can start fresh. Throughout the day, groups of participants arrive from all over the prefecture, bringing their wild energy with them. Most are carrying an offering like the one you see in front of you. This is called a naoi-zasa. It's a bamboo offering. It's tied in rope and with the lucky naoi ribbons. After their progress to the shrine, which can take hours and hours, the men arrive, they splash with cold water, and they pray, wishing away their bad luck. The climax of the festival is when the Shinto appears. He is protected inside the shrine at the beginning of the festival, but once he arrives, he moves out into the crowd, and it is a crush. Everyone tries to reach out and touch him to pass off their bad luck. This year, we weren't able to make it into the shrine grounds to see the Shinto appear, but it was quite the spectacle. We could hear it all the way back from where we were watching. If you look carefully in the right side of the video, you'll see that one of the naked men is handing out these ribbons. These are called naoi, and they're one of the ways that the audience participates with the festival. Everybody calls out, "Naoi kudasai! Naoi kudasai!" which is, please give me a naoi. And they really range in the festival. They can be simple strips of fabric all the way up to the really amazing ones that you see, like the one he just took off. These have been made ahead of time and are braided with different colors of ribbon. Loud scream. There's this one guy holding everything. hope you've enjoyed this look at the Hadaka Matsuri, and I hope next time you'll be able to join us. Bye-bye!